All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Ha! Big up on yourself. It has been a while, and put on watch. It has definitely been a while. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and everything is totally fine. We are going to do some footy talk. We're going to discuss some football. Definitely going to discuss some football. What I would really want you guys to do is, before you do anything, is share the content to persons who you think might like these types of videos. I'd really appreciate it if you do so. I have my drinks tonight. So you know the MJ, on a personal note, what do you think is the highest ceiling for Dixon? Alright. This is a perfect segue into discussing Kaheim Dixon. I personally think that he has a very high ceiling. No, Grimsey said something today which resonated with me. That goals, you have some players who were born to score goals. It doesn't matter what level they are at youth level, adolescent level, or adult level, they are just born to score goals. And he's basically saying that Kaheim Dixon is one of those players who was just typically born to score goals. It doesn't matter when, where, how, he will score you goals. You remember now? Mash it up in schoolboy football. Them say, boy, that's soft. Easy to soft. Went to the Casa tournament, where you have the likes of the Inter Miami Academy, all these big academies at the U19 competition. It's a U19 competition. I have many top big academies. And he went there and won the Golden Boot. Came back to Jamaica. On his debut for Arnett Garden, boom, won the goal. Then fine, you are gone. Schoolboy football and nothing. That's soft. Soft. Alright, go in a Casa tournament when I play against top academies. Still get Golden Boot. That's soft. Soft. Jamaica Premier League now. Me could see no. Boom, goal. Ratted. No, with the senior team, even the domestic team, goal again. See, you really know if you sit back and say, even though it's a lot of the CM Premier League players, but it's a mixture. It's not like some players when I played every day. So no, you really know if you sit back and say, something is happening. Something is happening in this youth. And that's what coach said. We have to, the coach says, let us ride this wave and see where it takes him. Because we could spin it many different ways or what. That's this contest, he can spin in many ways. But the only thing is guaranteed right now is that he is consistently scoring goals. He is consistently scoring goals. That's just it. He's consistently scoring goals. I have to say hats off to him. And this will showcase that he has a very high ceiling. But it's very important that sometimes you just need the exposure. Sometimes you just need the exposure. And every time him touch I go perfect, and every time him pass and I go clean, and every time him jiggle I clean. That's just natural. He's a youth player. But look at that. Once him find the ball in front of the goal, he must score. So personally I think he has a very high ceiling. I really hope, I pray for him, so that he make it to the right, or find it and go to the right place. And not just anyway, just because he moves sake. I hope he got the right place where he can develop in a very good baller. Into the full potential that he has and he can be. I really pray to God that it does. Me I tell you. And because he's a player, I love watching him play. Exciting. Skills for days. Skill people make man I can drop your ground. No. I flick it up him. That's how it is. And then putting the ball back at the net. So very crucial. in his coming next, I would say 18 months. The next 18 months for him is going to be the most important part of his career because the next 18 months will tell his projection and where he might end up. His projection are where he might end up. So hopefully we'll see how this one materialize. Anyways, next talking topic I want to touch on, as I said, is Hemir or Grimson. No, why I want to touch on Al Grimson? Oh, tomorrow the U20 them a play. What on there? Tomorrow the U20 is supposed to play, no people. Tomorrow the U20 is supposed to play. So maybe we can touch on that a little bit before we move on. So me I check something to confirm. Let me confirm something, people. First of February, 4 p.m. Yeah, tomorrow. Yep. So we probably can touch on that just a little bit. All right. So let's touch on Al Grimson. Now, him here, Al Grimson, the head coach of the Jamaica Reggae Boyz. And today, let me tell you how I sit today. This is what I saw today. And I'm not talking about just today. From Al Grimson coming, Mr. United said, MG, can you tell me a world class player that Dixon might remind you of? Just want to have an idea of his playing style. Gabriel Jesus. Gabriel Jesus. Very, very hard working. Link up player. Technical aspect of it. Gabriel Jesus. Very, very similar ball player. Hold up ball, all that kind of something there. Very, very quick, but deceptively quick. Take the ball, left foot, right foot, everything. So maybe a lot of person might not agree with me, but he's the one who remind me of. And maybe too much Arsenal, so maybe that. Gabriel Jesus, Firmino, them, he's that type of player. Jaden said the match only can score though. Jesus can't score, man. He just need more chances to score. But Gabriel Jesus can't really score goal. Anyways, so let me touch on Al Grimson. So since the arrival of Al Grimson, I have to say that I think Al Grimson is somewhat of a alright, football heritage. Alright, that's true. Cause right now me a big for a striker. Me's an Arsenal man, and me a big for a striker. So yeah, me agree. Mm. Good. I think Robinho.